with everybody, I'd say.
Hey, dog, do something. Come on. We got the camera on you. What are you going to do today?
Balls cut off today. Don't bug me.
You tired? You got your balls cut off? Yes. Yes, we know. We know how hard it is. Yes. Look at that face. Look at that face. Let's play with this thing. Want to? Let's play with this. You don't want to play with that? Or do you? Grab it. Yeah, that's right. Bite it. Pretend it's the doctor that cut your balls off. Yeah, that's right. Look at those big ass feet. Look at them big ass feet. That's right. Say bye. Bye.